Another day in the life of Aiden in quarantine. Dun dun dun.
So, like, lots of people are other people.
What are you doing right now?
I don't know. Hey, hey! Hey, hey!
Almost fell in.
It's so shallow. It's like right there.
Don't fall in. Don't fall in.
Dad? I'm kidding.
Show me what you learned to do, that you got a blister. What is this?
What is it?
Look, Katie.
It's like a crab.
This can't be a crawfish. What is this? Do I pick it up?
What?
We just found this in Kootenai Lake. What is this?
It's an alien! Run for your life! It's gonna eat us all!
I got Aiden.
Hi!
Oh, anyone who knows what this is in the lakes of Kootenai, let us know. This is where our drinking water comes from.
Wait, so we can drink this?
Oh, sunglasses.
I know, I saw that.
We found a pair of donated sunglasses to the lake. I wish they were my Ray-Bans that you threw into the lake when you were a baby.
Until tomorrow, maybe. ...